Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add bank account in Stripe. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Firstly, head over to Stripe's website and sign into your account. Once you have signed in, you will be redirected to Stripe's dashboard. The dashboard is your control center for managing transactions, viewing reports, and of course, adding your bank account. From here, navigate to the Settings section at the top right. Within Settings, click on the Business tab. Once here, look for Bank Accounts and Currencies tab. This area manages how you receive payouts from Stripe. Now, click on Add Bank Account to move to the next step. Stripe uses email verification as an additional layer of security. After clicking to add your bank account, you'll be prompted to Send Link. Check your inbox for this email and follow the provided instructions to verify your email address. Typically, this involves confirming your password to ensure it's really you making the request. Once your email is verified, click Continue to proceed. At this stage, Stripe will ask for your bank details. Enter your account information carefully, as this is where your payouts will be deposited. Double-check every detail before continuing. After confirming your information, click Add Bank Account. This final step links your bank to Stripe for future payouts. And that's it! So that is how you can add bank account in Stripe. So that's all for this video. Thanks.